Hello viewers, I am Rohit Khurana from Carblog India. Today we are at the Buddha International Circuit. We are taking the B class for a spin on the racetrack, the Formula 1 track at the Buddha International Circuit. Let us show you how this car performs on road and the driving characteristics and all. We'll tell you more on our drive. We are just about to start. So we are on the track right now, just entering the track from the pit lane. So about to exit here. On the left side what you see is the grandstand. It's a small convoy headed by a pilot car, so we are supposed to follow it, and we are going to take a couple of laps. We'll try to see the dynamics of the car on the track, kind of segmented targets the sports tourer, which is meant to be comfortable, spacious, and provide you with a lot of luggage space. You can fold down the rear seats and make oodles of space for your off-roading trips, camping trips, etc. And this good, nice plush leather upholstery. This is not the Indian version which is going to be launched. This is the left-hand drive which is used in the American countries, and the car which will come to India will have different specs and different features. Would be somewhat similar. This powertrain that we are driving right now, this is a manual 6-speed manual transmission car. The one which India will get will be a 7-speed automatic, which is used in the AMG series with pedal shifts, so it's not present in this car. We are going pretty slow right now. So this is the B200, which is powered by a 1.6 liter turbocharged 250 Newton meter torque powertrain, which is pretty impressive. In the corner too, pretty decent acceleration, a slight slope, and we have a hairpin turn here, so I'll slow down a little. And we are at the speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, and third gear RPM of 6,000, and this is going pretty enthusiastic, I must say. I'm very thrilled. We have already hit 150 kilometers per hour. I need to keep my eyes on the car in front of me. Here comes another turn of the Buddha International Circuit, pretty steep one, no one behind us, so it's going to be interesting. So there is practically no body roll. Since it's a sports tourer, so it's meant to cruise easily. The torque levels are pretty tremendous. Right now we are at a corner in 5th gear at RPMs of the level of 1100 RPM, and I need to downshift a little so as to get some punch out of it. In totality, 2050 Newton meters of torque for a car of this size seems pretty adequate. There is very slight body roll when we are cornering very steeply at around 70 kilometers per hour. We are approaching another turn. Let me try to do it from the outer side of the turn and see how it fares. I'm also slightly accelerating, and we are in 4th gear. The car is managing pretty well on a steep corner. The track is slightly back here. Can you hear the tires screeching? We are parallel to the pit lane in front of the grandstand. This is a straight line, so I can accelerate a little. In 4th gear, 5000 RPM, 5th gear, hitting 130, time to slow down for the corner. So I must say the braking is also as impressive as the acceleration. The car feels very much in control, even when you are at very high speeds and need to slow down. The ABS and electronic stability programs are doing their job pretty well. The car also suggests you the gear. This is the manual one, so in my multi-information display I also see the gear suggestions. Right now I'm in 3rd gear, and the car is not telling me to upshift or downshift. I'm around 40 kilometers per hour. This time this is a straight line. Let's try to accelerate it. Downshift, flooring the pedal, 100 kilometers per hour.
on the right.
This is not a go-kart.
So what you are seeing here is some tremendous demonstration of the handling which the B class is capable of. We are taking some outer turns at higher speeds of ahead of around 100 kilometers per hour.
Where can we get you for the car?
And what the thing is doing.
This is a pro rally racer talking to you about how you should be driving in an F1 track, and you can always come here, but he won't be available, and you can use his tips. So please tell us more about it. Hello.
On a racetrack, you're supposed to enter the turn at a very controlled speed, and you cannot enter very fast because, I mean, if you enter the turn very fast and then start turning in, the body weight is all going in one direction, and it takes your car out of the racing line or sometimes out of the track. So always keep your car in control before entering the turn, and midway through the turn you are supposed to accelerate so that you exit out fast and carry the speed till the next corner again. So
And what about while you're cornering, like, you know,
start braking, brake hard, harder. Okay, turn it.
that was oversteering, wasn't it?
No, that is perfect. Steering.
That is perfect. Rohit gets 10 on 10.
Come to the right, and always take a wider angle. Use the width of the track. Go as wide as possible so that your steering input is as minimum.
He's probably got some experience with camera also, so wide angle and all the terminologies that you can hear.
Go wide, keep going. Accelerate, brake, little bit, turn in, apex, okay, turn in. Stay here, keep going, turn. Perfect, turn back. Straighter angle, as straight as possible. You don't have to turn too much. Just turn a little bit. Yeah, turn. Don't have to move take some time. Like, you're getting the idea, right?
Yeah, he's getting a hang of it, and car block leaders are going to be very lucky because they're going to learn out of his experience.
That's the turn, but it's okay, turn right. You getting me?
Are you getting him, Rohit?
Lift off, brake, turn in, turn, go wide.
Yeah, he's in groove.
Yeah, now quickly. See, already in 3 laps he's become a better driver.
Yeah, he's become a
Ready
pro.
to race next time.
Yeah.
Thanks to you. So we are in the pit lane, going very slow, and I am thrilled by the drive, and the handling is superb. There is minimal body roll. The car does handle like a sports car, but I would suggest you not to drive as rash as I did on the track, because you will probably be driving on roads. I'll again thanks my camera person Tavleen for making this video. Thank you. This is Rohit Khurana signing off from Carblog India. Do keep subscribing to our channel youtube.com/CarblogIndia. Thanks for watching.
Bye.